So Destiny, how's art class going? Going good? I heard you had a really good project this quarter. You enjoying that? Oh wait, there's my class. Hold on. Hi folks, Mr. Talmadge here. This week in linear algebra, you're going to be looking at eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So this is a way to understand more about a linear transformation. I got to turn the lights on. The way this basically works is as follows. We're trying to understand more about linear transformations. So you studied last week about some geometric motivation for linear transformations. Rotations, reflections, projections, and things like that. So when you have a nice geometric motivation, it's often easy to find the matrix of the linear transformation. And then you also know some pretty cool things already about the transformation. In general, though, any matrix, in this case we're talking about plane transformation, so any 2x2 matrix can be thought of as a linear transformation. So what we're trying to get a sense of here is what's the connection between the matrix itself, the form of it, the entries, and what it does in terms of transforming vectors. So a big idea here is to determine, first of all, what does the overall picture look like? That's called the column space of the matrix and its rank. And then secondly, are there some particular directions which are mapped back onto themselves? So in other words, when the matrix transforms that vector, it puts that vector back along the same line that it started on. Any vector like that is called an eigenvector, and that direction is called an eigendirection. You'll learn more about that through videos and reading this week and some problems. I wish you a lot of luck. Oh, and by the way, two things. One, if you hear me in the video refer to you as a llama, that's not a slur. The course used to be called Linear Algebra Through Modern Applications, and sort of short there is L-A-M-A, llama, and so I often refer to us as llamas. And then second, next week, which is March 25th through 31st, there is no class. We're on spring break, so there are no assignments. It's a good time to do some extra reading, look at things, and I'll try to get the module up for the week after that on the same schedule as I have been so that you can work ahead if you want to. Anyway, have a great week. Use the discussion if you want to ask questions or send me stuff directly. Have a great day. Bye.